Hello, my name is Shamiso Mahohoma, and I am the head of the Department of Management at Kirirom Institute of Technology. Originally from Zimbabwe, I am thrilled to be a part of KIT right here in the heart of Kirirom National Park in Cambodia. As you know, Cambodia is a top tourist destination with rich cultural, natural, and historic resources. Cambodia's tourism has the potential to drive the development of the country. Now, as we emerge from the harsh impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, Cambodia's tourism industry is projected to become even more competitive. And looking into the future, this will create many more opportunities for the tourism industry and tourism professionals. With this in mind, Cambodia is an ideal place to study tourism. And as the Department of Management, we offer a major in tourism management to help our students take advantage of these opportunities. Tourism is an exciting and dynamic field that covers all aspects of the tourism industry, from attractions and accommodation to transportation, events, destination management, and all related business activities like marketing, financial management, and leadership. At KIT, we are not only committed to keeping up with the current trends in the tourism industry, but we strive to stay ahead of them through our evolving curriculum that prepares our students to thrive in a fast-paced, globalized environment. Our immersive internship model equips students with skills to navigate the real business world. And to deliver our curriculum, we have invested in the latest teaching and learning technologies, as well as highly qualified and experienced local and international lecturers. All our efforts are driven by our passion for digital transformation, innovation, and sustainability. The tourism industry is constantly evolving, and the pandemic has only accelerated the process. With challenges like climate change, changing customer needs, and rapidly advancing technologies, the tourism industry needs a new breed of innovative leaders. The KIT Tourism Management Program is designed to develop such leaders, as the program gives students a deep understanding of the industry and its complexities and equips them to drive tourism to a sustainable future. Our tourism management program unlocks endless career possibilities for our graduates. We prepare them to pursue careers in travel, tourism, hospitality, and events management. They can also join the public sector and non-governmental organizations. Better still, KIT graduates can leverage their entrepreneurial and innovative skills to become successful entrepreneurs in different sectors of the industry. We invite you to join our community of environmentally and socially responsible leaders and explore endless career possibilities with a bachelor's degree in tourism management. So take the first step today and visit our social media pages to learn more about our program. See you soon.